Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today, it should be Saturday when you watch this video, and you are actually going to see a video on a subscription box that I purchased called FABFITFUN, and it is a subscription box that you can either do annually or you can do seasonally. And so I recorded the video while I was doing my previous video that you have already seen on Thursday, which is my last makeup haul until fall. But I was giving so much information and that video would have been so long that I decided to put it into two videos. So I did the last makeup haul on Thursday, and then I dedicated a video just to the FABFITFUN box. Yeah, so that's what you're gonna be watching today. You're gonna see that I have different clothes on and I actually have some makeup on. It's because I did film it at the same time I did the haul video. So the intro and outro will be with me natural, just eyebrows on, in my Wonder Woman t-shirt. Love me some Wonder Woman. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing my opinion and my thoughts and how my subscription went with this FABFITFUN box, then grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, and just keep on watching. I did purchase the first box and I wasn't blown away by it, so I canceled my subscription to them. And I was kind of upset because I was wanting, actually, when I ordered the box, gave me the option to see if I wanted the Foreo in it. It gave me the option in the email and I picked the Foreo, and I didn't receive the Foreo in my box. So I emailed them. When I emailed them, they told me that it was only for annual subscription members, not the seasonal subscription members that they can choose. The other ones are just kind of random. It didn't really say that. And it let me choose and I didn't receive it. And then they kind of gave me the option that they would send it to me if I paid a certain amount of money plus shipping and handling. And I was like, are you kidding me? No, I don't think so. So, not my cup of tea. I canceled their subscription and I just kept the stuff in the box. I'm actually going to put some of it in a giveaway because I really don't care for the items. Okay, so the items in your FABFITFUN bag. Box, excuse me. So I got this note and it says the retail value of my box is anywhere between $300 and $150 to $336.95, because this is all the products that you get. You get 8 products. 3 of your products are standard, and then 5 of the products there's either 2 choices or 3 choices. And of course, they don't specify that you have to be an annual subscription member to choose the items you want. Whatever. Anyway, nonetheless. So in my first box, what I got was a Yumi Kim makeup train case, which is this floral one. So I have another makeup case to add to the collection, and this retails for $58. It says this train case is large enough to store your favorite beauty products and features 2 separate compartments with a zipper closure so you can keep things organized. So I haven't even opened it yet. Tell you the truth, like I told you, nothing jumped out at me from this box. But anyway, actually one thing jumped out at me. So that was the first thing. The second one, this is a special size limited edition Ahava Dead Sea Water mineral hand cream, and this says it retails for $33. It says experience the wonders of the Dead Sea, no passport required. The mineral rich hand cream instantly improves skin moisture levels, smoothing rough dry skin and restoring suppleness. I don't know, haven't tried it. Probably give it to my husband because he has really dry skin. He works a lot. Now, the next item is the, probably gonna say this wrong, Spongelay Papaya Yuzu Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. So this retails for $16, and it exfoliates and cleanses all at the same time. This hypoallergenic sponge has a time-release creamy lather made with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. It moisturizes, rejuvenates, and restores your skin, leaving it soft as silk. Now, it looks like this. So it actually looks like a sponge, a floral sponge. It smells yummy, but I have super sensitive skin, so I can't really use any of these type of things. So I'm probably gonna give this to my mom. So yeah, didn't call out to me either. The next item, which was my choice, which is a choice item. So it was either the Foreo Luna or the thing that I got, which is a Trina Turkish towel. This is what I got instead of my Foreo Luna. And this retails for $78. It's inspired by California's multicultural creative landscape. This also soft towel features a beautiful contemporary design that you can take with you to all your summer activities. I don't think so. I didn't want this. I wanted a Foreo Luna. Pass. Don't like that. The next item that is another choice item. This is probably the only item that I was really intrigued with and I liked. And this is the 8 Reasons Landon Lariat. And it's like this. It looks like this, and it's a layered. It says every woman needs a no-brainer versatile necklace in her collection. This pre-layered piece is adjustable and has timeless design that you can style with any outfit. I liked this, which I can possibly get at Kohl's as well. But this is the only thing that I liked in the box. The next item that is also a choice item. This is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. It says, pucker up ladies. This palette features 11 intensely pigmented shades and 1 balm that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color, enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. You can mix and match for endless color combinations. I don't really use lip palettes. I had one and I gave it away. My sister bought me one, but you know, I like the mirror, so maybe I'll play around with this one. This is intriguing for me. It's all the colors that I use. So, okay, we give this a plus. Okay, then the next item was a choice item as well. That's why you get 5 choice items, or they randomly pick it for you when you're not an annual member. They sent me a Maji Sports Trigger Point Ball. And I actually gave that to my husband because he suffers from a lot of joint pain and things like that because he works like hard labor up and down, round and round. So I gave it to him, but it says the perfect end to a perfect workout. Target and soothe tired muscles with this easy to use massage ball. Use the floor, wall, or any hard surface to stabilize it and apply pressure directly to the areas that need relief. He will get way better use out of that than I would. So he got that. Then the last item, which is a skincare product. This is the Tula Dual Phase Skin Reviving Pads. So this was also a little intriguing for me. It says, reveal brighter, visibly smoother skin after just one use. The cotton pads are soaked in skin-loving ingredients that exfoliate your skin in the most gentle yet effective way. And it comes with 5 pads. So, and this retails for $26. The Maji Sports Ball retails for $24.95. The lip palette retails for $42. The necklace retails for $48. So yeah. And then along with these items, it came with a coupon for Color Lover. This is for Ish, I guess, to get $10 off your order of $50 or more on ish.com. So got that. Then on the other side, there's another coupon code for Summer and Rose. It says you're a gem. I guess this is a gemstones or something, I don't know. So I got another coupon code. It then sent me HelloFresh a coupon for this, which I will never use. And then they send you also a FABFITFUN little magazine thing. It looks like this. And I haven't really opened it or read it yet, but I probably will. And yeah, being that I was not thrilled with anything, I didn't post, I didn't hashtag, I didn't tag FABFITFUN. I emailed them, didn't get the result that I thought I was gonna get, being that I was a new member, and I cut that subscription very quickly. So yeah, and for me, this box really wasn't all that for, you know, I was like, nah, not for me. I get better skincare in my BoxyCharm. I get makeup that I enjoy. So Ipsy, yes, oh yes, I'm good. Okay, and that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me show you the products and kind of give you a little bit of a rundown on how it works and what happened to me, my experience with this particular subscription box. It's my opinion. It wasn't for me, so I mean, what can I say? It is what it is. Not all subscription boxes are going to be for everybody. I enjoy the ones that I have right now. That one just wasn't my cup of tea. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like it, share it, subscribe. I appreciate all comments, suggestions, feedback, anything, support, definitely. But yeah, that's it. And I will see you beauties all in my next video. Bye.